Hi, it's Jack.
Giver.
Thanks for watching my channel. Please remember to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. What I want to share with you today is how to DIY cheap and useful grafting tape. A grafting tape on the market is probably around 10 Canadian dollars. Sometimes I need to use it temporarily, but not at hand. So I thought of using plastic wrap in the kitchen to make grafting tape. 100 feet plastic wrap costs me $1.50 Canadian dollars from Dollar Shop. Using a saw to cut a few sections to the desired width. I saw the plastic wrap into 7 pieces. Therefore the total length becomes 700 feet. Now we test it. The tension of the strap. Similar to normal grafting film. But this is not a paraffin film, which can be dissolved by itself. Okay, let's go to graft my cherry tree.